Phones are just too expensive. Mid-range options are good value, but you can get more for the price they're put at. For example, when you get the Galaxy A03s for $150, you can find a better option. The Galaxy S10 for $20 more, or the Galaxy S10e for the same price. And the more of these A-series prices you look at, the more alternative, better options you can find. But what about the Galaxy A53 and Galaxy A73? Their most high-spec Galaxy A-series of 2022. So the Galaxy A53 is $449, and the A73's price sold on places like eBay is $599. So I went online and looked for a phone with a price in between $449 and $599, and after a lot of digging, I found the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. The Note 20 Ultra launched for $1,300, and the new price, which is $499, is $800 off its original price. For a phone that launched for $1,299 or $1,300, you'd assume there's a lot coming with this big, giant phone, and you're right. So spending $499 on a phone that gives you so much is a really big deal. Let's start with the specs. The Note 20 has the Snapdragon 865 Plus chip, which already outperforms all the Galaxy A-series phones out there. 12 GB of RAM, which no mid-ranger has touched, and this also means heavy multitasking and an overall really fast phone, and 128 GB of storage. The display is 120Hz, 1440p, curved 6.8 inches, and has a really small center hole punch camera, and looks better than any other mid-range phone that I've seen out there besides the Galaxy A82. The display is already a 1:1 copy of the Galaxy S22 Ultra's display, so when you're looking at the display, it feels really premium, and the brightness outdoors with this phone is still really bright and viewable. Let's talk about build quality. So this is a renewed, refurbished phone, and I got my Note 20 Ultra for its cheapest option at Back Market Select Fair Auction. So how is it? I spent quite a while with this phone, so here are some things I noticed. The heavy, annoying scratches in the display, but when turned on, you can't really see the scratches. Major scratches and scuffs on the side rails, but nothing seems to be wrong with the back glass. And of course, you're gonna put on a case, right? But all of these are cosmetic issues and doesn't affect the use of the phone. The fingerprint scanner works really fast with all the heavy scratches on it, and yeah, as long as you don't mind all these cosmetic differences, you're all good. But for me, having all these cosmetic differences pushes me into buying something that looks a little bit better. A mid-range phone or something from Amazon. But some part of me wants to keep the Galaxy Note 20. What do you think? Would you rather have a really low-spec good phone that looks brand new, or a high-spec great phone with some cosmetic issues? Moving on, the camera. I've reviewed a lot of other old Galaxy smartphones and compared them to their similarly priced A-series. Despite having a worse camera though, the flagships always take through. The A-series always shows us high-resolution sensors. We've always seen 48 or 64 megapixel sensors, 30x space zoom with a telephoto lens that they've tried to give us with the A-series, and Samsung's goal was to try to make the A-series camera feel like their flagship camera. And the Note 20 Ultra, we're seeing 108 megapixels, 50x space zoom with a 5x telephoto lens, and the Note 20 always beats the other phones in terms of camera quality like you'd expect. And getting such a great camera for a similar price to its brand new A-series competitors is a really great deal. You get 3 or 4 years of software updates and years of security updates. So that means the Galaxy A73 and A53 are getting from Android 12 to Android 15 or Android 16, meaning you're able to use your phone for a very long time while still receiving software updates over time. The Note 20 Ultra was released nearly 2 years ago, so how many software updates is this phone getting? Well, the Note 20 Ultra was released with Android 10, and with a little bit of research, we know the Note 20 Ultra is getting 3 years of software updates. Of course, it's likely it'll get 4 years of software updates, but even still, it doesn't touch what the recent A-series goes up to. But from what I've seen, Android 13 will be the last and final update for the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. So next year, updates stop for this phone, and that's a real big deal breaker for some people out there. And if you're the type of person that wants a software update coming once every now and then every year, you're only getting 1 year if you buy it right now. But overall, is the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra worth your money? Well, there's some different answers to answer that question. The Note 20 Ultra I got from Back Market is the cheapest option, fair, And in my previous Z Flip video, I reviewed the phone without buying it from Back Market because, you know, I already have the phone. And I basically talked about how great the phone is for the price. But now seeing how heavily scratched the phone is, not a lot of people are going to like that. But of course, for a little extra money, you can get an Amazon Renewed phone. All the Amazon Renewed phones I've had have been in excellent condition, so I'll leave a link to the Note 20 Ultra bought from Amazon in the description too. Anyways, thanks for watching. Make sure to like if you found my information helpful, and leave a subscribe if you want.